Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something a little different. This past week and a half has been life-changing for our family. We made a decision to bring our boys home from public school and to step into something completely new, homeschooling. There are many reasons we chose this path, some of which we're keeping private. But the biggest reason? We wanted to give our boys a calm, peaceful, stress-free, and nurturing environment where they can truly thrive. And we're already seeing the difference. Public school wasn't the right fit for them. We saw struggles, the stress, and the exhaustion. And deep down, we knew there had to be a better way. Now our days look a little different. We move at our own pace. We learn in a way that makes sense for our family. We cook together, explore together, and most importantly, our boys are happy. Of course, we're still figuring things out. What our school schedule looks like, what works best for each of our boys, but already we can feel the weight lifted. This channel is changing too. From now on, we're bringing you along on our journey. Homeschooling, family adventures, working towards our dream of having a farm, and of course, plenty of cooking with our boys. We're building a life that is slower, more intentional, and filled with joy. And we are so excited to share it with you. If you've ever thought about homeschooling, or if you're just here for the journey, we'd love to have you along. Hit subscribe and follow our adventure. It's just the beginning.